Good morning, good morning, my lovelies. Welcome back to Gikzy's Garden. It's early morning, it's 7:30. This is the best time for me to come out in the garden and harvest my herbs. So there's not a lot in the garden right now compared to what it was in the beginning of the growing season. So it's getting hot around this time of the year. It's really hot. The tomatoes are not doing well, but they're still producing. So there's some tomatoes I can harvest for us to snack. So I'll be out here harvesting the herbs and some greens and some peppers that are ready to be harvested. I'm not sure if I'm going to have much as usual. I'm not always sure what I'm going to be getting in the garden because it's always a surprise when you come out here to harvest. You're really not sure how much or the quantity that you're going to have when you get in the garden. You will see stuff, but you will not know how much you can harvest. But let's just go in the garden and see what we can get. Come with me, come with me. Like I said, before we get in the garden, let me start by saying hello, my friends. Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, Gikzy. I'm just welcoming you all in my garden today. So let's just go in and just harvest and we'll see how the garden is looking like. It's not as beautiful as it was at the beginning of the growing season, like I was saying, but that's the beauty of gardening. We can still harvest some food. Come along with me. Let's go in. This is my tree spinach. It's doing amazing right now. So we can just come in here and harvest some for our salad, for our omelette for breakfast. This is what I got so far. This is a nice harvest. This is what we got so far. I'm still not done with the herbs yet. I'm coming in and harvest some of the herbs. So this is all we got for now. I have some basil that I need to harvest. So I have a lot of basils in the garden. I have the Genovese basil, the lemon basil, the what you call this one again? The name will come to me. The name will come to me. The licorice basil, the holly basil, lemon basil, Genovese, and that one, which I know the name will come to me. I know the name, but it's escaping my mind or my brain, what you could say. I can't remember, but that. So it's about 4 or 5 different types of basil. Very strong aroma. I have some onions too I can harvest. Not big onions, but see that. That's nice. Let's go out there. We have a lot to harvest. We will be harvesting more herbs for my tea because I'm running out. Oh, I have a pineapple sage over there that I need to harvest for tea. Let me grab that before we go. I had a nice pineapple sage that was growing here, but it's all gone. It's dead. Thank God I harvested some here and put it over there, which is doing amazing. So there's one out there. I'm gonna try and pull some of that and put it in another pot and see if that's gonna do better. The lemon bambina is over there. It's doing amazing. We're gonna harvest some of that. And the lemon balm is not doing well. So it will come back in the fall. In the fall, it will come back and it will do amazing. So we'll harvest that in the fall. I still have a lot of lemon balm in there that I harvested during the fall to try for my tea. So we'll be coming in and get some lemon balm dinner and more herbs out there for my tea. So you see, this is a basket full of herbs. Exciting. It smells so good. It's not as big as it should be, but I can't complain. The plant is doing good, so I've been harvesting out of this plant for my tea, so I can't complain at all. We have some basil here that is flowering, but I can cut it. Look at that, a handful of basil and lemon balm. There's some basil there. This is the holly basil. So I'm going to show you the difference between all of the basil I have in the garden. We have this one that I can't remember the name. I'm still trying to remember the name. I know the name, but I can't seem to get the name right, okay? This one. I'll put the name on the screen, okay? And I have the licorice basil, which is this. It has some purple flower on top. I have the purple basil. I harvested the purple basil. I'll go bring it. I have the purple basil, and this is a lemon basil. And this is the holly basil. So it's about 5 different types of basil. Oh, I forgot the Genovese. Genovese. This is the basil you will find at the store, which is the just the popular basil that you know is the Italian or Genovese basil. I think Italian. Are they all the same? Genovese and Italian. I'm not sure if they're all the same, but this is what you will find at the store when you go. All this basil you see in my hand, you have to go to get them. Or maybe go to the farmer's market and get them. But this is the regular basil that you will find at the store. And all of these are something you cannot find at the store. You either grow it or go to the farmer's market if you're lucky to find them. But I'm so thankful that I got the opportunity to grow all of this. I have some sage here, garden sage. I use my tea for both, sorry, my sage for both tea and cooking. So this plant has been here for years now and it's doing amazing. This is the sage that have been surviving in the garden. Even the new ones I brought in the garden, they already died. But this one is doing amazing, so I'm thankful for that. Some more jute leaf I can have this here. We have some more basil here, but I'm not going to harvest them today. I'll come back and harvest them some other time because I've harvested a lot of basil and I need to process that so that I can dry them. I need to wash and then dry them indoors. I have some more jute leaves here and hibiscus that I need to harvest. And some of my echinacea flowers. Dwarf okra is doing amazing there. Now this bushy plant you see here is hibiscus. I just let it grow big so I can just come in here and cut out the branches and that's it. And harvest some hibiscus leaf. The beauty about it is that the more you harvest, the bigger you get. So just keep harvesting. Harvest the branches and leave this top go up so it can produce more branches that you can harvest. There's still more branches coming up, so you can harvest the bigger ones. So we're gonna let those ones to get big so I can come in and harvest them. Look at that. How exciting is this to get this much harvest this morning? Look at what we got so far. This is amazing. I say so far because I have the the sweet potato leaves that I need to harvest, but time is going. I gotta go to work. I gotta go inside and start working. But this is amazing, coming out this morning to harvest a table full of greens and produce from the garden. Like I said earlier, I didn't think I was gonna come in the garden to get this much harvest. It's always a surprise in the garden what you can harvest. When you come out with your little basket, you might have to go back in and get another basket to harvest some more things that need to be harvested. But I am super excited for everything that we got. I just thank God for his grace and mercy for providing all of these things that I harvested from my little backyard garden. I can't thank him enough. This is amazing, me coming out here to harvest this much. Like I said, I still have some more greens that I need to harvest, the sweet potato leaves that I need to process all of this, so I don't think I'm gonna have time today to process the sweet potato leaves and this today, so I'm gonna leave that till next time, maybe tomorrow or whenever I have time, because tomorrow is also a busy day for me. So I'll see when I can come here and harvest the sweet potato leaves, because I need to harvest them, because the more you harvest the leaves, the more you're giving the plant energy to give you more leaves. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come out here and harvest more sweet potato leaves so they can give me more sweet potatoes before the end of the growing season. I can't complain at all. Look at this, and this is my small backyard table, outdoor table. I just cover it with this white tablecloth so you can see the contrast, because it's a blue tablecloth, just to see the amount of food, to give you a contrast, to see the green and the white, to see the amount of food that we have harvested from the garden for my small space backyard garden. This is amazing. I hope you all enjoyed this video. It is getting hot. I need to go out and freshen up so I can start working. But before I do that, I need to water real quick. Give myself 30 minutes to, still have 30 minutes. I have some peppers here. Look at that. Got some more Jamaican yellow peppers that I planted in that small basket. So I have 2 small peppers that I can harvest. This is spicy. This is really hot. But like I said, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, stay blessed. This is your girl Gikzy saying bye. Till next time. Have a beautiful day and happy gardening, y'all. This is amazing. This is your girl Gikzy saying bye. Till next time.